This is specific to Mississauga. In case you are a pet owner or you want to have ownership of a pet, then you have to come here, license a pet, and here license new pet. Then you can select number of year and owner type. I'm selecting new pet owner and then click next. On this page, enter your first name, last name, email address, then come down. This owner's date of birth is required to verify in case of lost pet and also to determine senior discount eligibility. So you enter the date of birth, street number, your address, city by default shows Mississauga, Ontario, and postal code with your phone number. Click next. You will come to this pet information. Here you will fill the pet detail, what that is, then name of the pet, primary breed. You get a drop down. From here you make a selection. In case you want to use secondary breed, then this is the drop down. Then you come here and select the pet size, look like, you choose the closest option what is there, and then also the primary color from this drop down. You have a long list here, so you can go through this. And then secondary color is optional. Pet's date of birth, you enter that, pet's gender, and you respond to this yes or no. And then pet veterinary clinic, you have a drop down here. From this drop down you select the clinic. You can go and check that out. Then if you have microchip, that is optional, tattoo number, that is optional, and then you click next. So here you get to review the detail what you filled, show that to you. So you can verify the detail what has been filled. In case any detail need to be updated, you can go back and do that updation. You can see the pet information and you'll also get to see the tag price based on number of year what you have chosen. Then you go and acknowledge and click next. Then you get the billing information where you go and do the payment for this $90, and after which you will get a confirmation, and that's how this is done.